Welcome to the captivating realm of recommendation systems, the silent powerhouses behind our daily digital experiences. These advanced algorithms play a crucial role, from the movies we watch to the products we peruse online, ensuring our digital encounters are tailored to our tastes and interests. At heart, these systems are sophisticated information filters designed to predict and present items a user might find intriguing. In the era of digital omnipresence, the significance of recommendation systems is profound. They enhance our online interactions, making them more meaningful and engaging, thus deepening the bond between businesses and consumers. This journey begins with an exploration of the core mechanics behind these systems, with a focus on two fundamental approaches: collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Through collaborative filtering, we leverage communal preferences to predict likes, whereas content-based filtering utilizes item attributes and user interactions for personalization. Each technique brings its strengths to the table, catering to varied scenarios and user preferences. As we navigate these concepts, we prepare the ground for a deeper understanding of how technology custom tailors our digital landscapes. In the harmonious digital concert of online recommendations, personalized content forms the melody, with collaborative filtering adding the harmonious blend of individual tastes and community wisdom. We now delve into how this technology employs group behaviors and choices to suggest items that resonate with your preferences, often before you're even aware of them. Imagine discovering a perfectly aligned movie recommendation on your favorite streaming platform, thanks to the predictive power of collaborative filtering that taps into shared user patterns. This approach enhances personalization across various platforms, from e-commerce to streaming services, boosting user satisfaction and engagement. However, its effectiveness faces challenges such as data sparsity and the cold start dilemma, where insufficient data on new users or items hampers recommendation accuracy. We'll examine the strengths of this community-driven technique and how creative solutions navigate its limitations, setting the stage to compare it with the content-based filtering approach in the intricate landscape of recommendation systems. Moving deeper into the fabric of personalized digital experiences, we uncover the nuances of content-based filtering. This method refines recommendations by analyzing item characteristics alongside user preferences, creating a sensation of tailor-made suggestions. Envision logging onto a favored streaming service to find shows that align precisely with your past engagements. This is content-based filtering at work. This system's strength lies in delivering highly personalized recommendations, from news to entertainment and shopping, ensuring alignment with your unique tastes. Nevertheless, challenges such as a tendency towards thematic repetitiveness and the necessity of detailed attribute datasets underscore its limitations. As we balance personalization accuracy with the discovery of novel content, the forthcoming discussion will explore how integrating content-based filtering with other techniques enriches the recommendation landscape. This synthesis represents the evolving endeavor to not only match but also expand user preferences. Venturing into the heart of our discussion, the distinction between collaborative filtering and content-based filtering becomes stark. Collaborative filtering benefits from the wealth of collective user experiences, thriving on shared preferences to generate recommendations. In contrast, content-based filtering prizes individuality, generating suggestions solely from a user's past interactions and the specific characteristics of content. The agility in adapting to new data sets them apart, with collaborative filtering contending with the challenge of voluminous yet dynamic user interaction data, and content-based filtering offering adaptability through focused analysis of individual preferences. These distinctive qualities ensure their applicability across various domains, from streaming to shopping, each excelling under different conditions. As we progress, the convergence of these methodologies will be showcased, illustrating how they complement each other to refine and enrich our online content and service landscapes. Through our exploration of recommendation systems, we've seen the transformative role of both collaborative and content-based filtering in shaping our digital experiences. Looking ahead, the future of these innovations promises even more personalization and precision. Advancements in AI and machine learning are set to offer unprecedented integration, forecasting our interests, with remarkable foresight and seamlessly merging collaborative and content-based insights for spot-on suggestions. As this technological landscape continues to evolve, the nuances and sophistication of recommendation systems will become increasingly fundamental in guiding us through the digital realm. Whether for enthusiast, data scientist, or the simply curious, the development of these systems represents an exciting frontier, promising endless possibilities for enhancing how we interact online. Embracing what's to come, we look forward to a future where technology intuitively aligns with every facet of our digital lives.